Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to see exclusive content on Instagram without paying using the available free trial option. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to the profile of the person whose exclusive content you want to access. This can be done directly from your feed or by searching their name. Step 3. If you saw a post from them, tap their profile name or use the search bar to find their profile. Step 4. Once on their profile page, tap the subscribe button to view their subscription options. Step 5. Check if they offer a free trial for their exclusive content. Many creators provide this option for new subscribers. Step 6. If a free trial is available, tap to start it, and you'll instantly gain access to all their exclusive content during that period. Step 7. Before the free trial ends, tap subscribe, then tap manage and choose cancel subscription to make sure you're not decharged. Step 8. If there's no free trial available, you won't be able to access their exclusive content for free and would need to pay to view it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps.